Hey, welcome back to Now Assist for ITSM, your adoption playbook series. Today, we will explore several foundational aspects of Now Assist, including licensing and activation. To recap, Now Assist is the label given to experiences powered by generative AI at ServiceNow. It empowers your agents and customers to receive assistance, solve problems, and answer questions through a variety of innovative features. Prior to installing any Now Assist products, you must have the following installation prerequisites: an instance with Xanadu or newer, a license that includes a Now Assist package. If you do not already have one of these licenses, it is recommended to work with your ServiceNow account team to obtain the appropriate subscription. The Now Assist Admin Console provides quick and effortless access to the important information that you need to set up, configure, and monitor Now Assist applications and features. Begin your exploration of the Now Assist features and skills in the Now Assist Admin Console. This console contains everything that you need to install, configure, and learn about the different generative AI features on the ServiceNow AI platform. Now, I will provide you with a brief walkthrough of the Now Assist Admin Console. To begin, once you are logged into your instance, navigate to Now Assist Admin. And it's going to take you to Now Assist Admin Console. On this page, you will find several sections available for configuration: the overview, Now Assist skills, Now Assist experiences, performance, and settings. Under the Overview tab, you will find a concise summary of all active skills, plugins that are not installed, and skills that have not been initiated. Additionally, you can install other product plugins directly from this option. Moving on to the next tab, we have the Now Assist skills. This list displays all the out-of-the-box Now Assist ITSM skills available. You can easily activate them by clicking Activate Skill and following a few steps to configure the skill in your instance. Now Assist Experiences enables you to toggle the Now Assist panel on or off. When the Now Assist panel is activated, as it is in this instance, you will notice the star icon at the top. Clicking on the star icon will cause the Now Assist panel to appear. And present you with all the out-of-the-box skills that are already activated to select one of those. You can either pin the panel to the right or unpin it at any time. If, after activation, the Now Assist panel or the star icon does not appear, here's how you can troubleshoot the issue. This page displays all available assistance options. Please ensure that the Now Assist panel platform is activated. Only then will the Now Assist panel become visible, and the star icon will appear on the banner. Now, let's return to the Now Assist Admin Console. Once you have activated the Now Assist panel, it will be displayed at the top of the banner, as previously mentioned. Next, in the Performance tab, you can review the usage and adoption of all skills, assess skill performance, and monitor the usage of each skill activator within your instance. In the settings, you can configure the multiple languages you wish to use, adjust data sharing options, and modify the account settings available for configuration. The Now Assist Admin Console simplifies the configuration of Now Assist on your instance with remarkable ease. To summarize, In today's video, we explored how to activate Now Assist for ITSM and utilize the Now Assist admin console to manage skills, account settings, and monitor performance. In the next video, we will delve deeper into individual incident management and chat skills. See you there!